In this video, I'm going to talk about the third example of finding the midpoints between the line segment or in between the points. So in this video, the question is point A. Point A right over here that I'm pointing out is that 3, 4 is in the coordinate on the coordinate, and point B right over here. It is at point, the coordinate of this point is 8, -4. And what is the midpoint of line segment AB? And let's just eyeball it before I do it. It looks like something here if you eyeball it, but it's not an exact value. So let's just verify it. And so before you do that, I'm keep reminding you guys to memorize it, kind of understand it, how this kind of thing works. And if there's a point right over here, like if there's a point 1 and 2, in order to find a midpoint, we can add it together and we can divide it into 2. And it's the same thing of finding the average, which means you find a mid number when finding the median of these numbers, kind of average. So it was going to be equal to 3 divided by 2, which we're going to be 1.5. So let's apply this to this question. So point A is at 3, 4. So which means x value is 3 and the y value is 4. So we can add it up. 3, 4. And plus the comma B's coordinate, which is 8, -4, -4. And then what is the midpoint of the line segment? Then we can divide into 2 or times 1 over 2. 1 over times 1 over 2 divided by 2 is the same expressions. So let's do it, but we need to be careful that it is a coordinate, not a number. That means we can only simplify with the like terms, x and y. So this is x and this is x. We can simplify together. And this is y and this is y. So let's do it. So it was going to be equal to, let's see. So 3 plus a, which we're going to be equal to 11, comma, y value, 4 plus -4, which we're going to be 0. So let's keep doing it, but you need to be careful that there is still times 1 over 2 or divide by 2. I'm just keep changing it. And we can use this 3 property in order to cancel out this parenthesis right over here. So if you do that, 11 divided by 2 is going to be equal to 5.5, comma 0 divided by 2 will just going to be equal to 0. So let's do it. So I pointed out with just eyeballing that this point is right over here is our answer by eyeballing it. So let's check it. So it looks like 5.50. Yeah, this is right. I just eyeball it, but it was same with the original answer, the answer of the midpoint. So in the next video, I'm going to talk about the last example of finding the midpoints between the points on the coordinate.